Hello friends, today I have a little pad of paper right in front of me and I thought I'm going to do a quick little collage using acrylic and some watercolor. Okay, I'm gonna let the watercolor dry. I'll be right back. Now I'm going to use some antique white acrylic paint instead of gesso to put a little bit over the watercolor. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. Now I'm ready to put a little bit of stamping. And I have some little foliage stickers that are translucent and they're really nice. I have some fussy cut birds that I got from a bird book the other night. I think I will put that in a minute. There's some little scraps I'm going to add. I think I'll put him right there. I need a few more flowers or some foliage. A few little splatters, make it look complete. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Take this out. And here's my quick little collage. I think it's pretty cute. Thanks for watching.